guys, today we are going to be playing APM, and we are going to be doing a video on this drag truck here soon. And what we're going to be doing today is testing out this drift truck and hopefully not blowing it up. So if we blow it up, it'll be bad. And so, yeah, let's just have some fun. Sit back and relax and enjoy today's video. Guys, what is up in today's video? We are going to be doing a drift truck video, and this is going to be a very fun video. And so I'll just show you what this truck is kind of capable of. Just gonna drive through here, slide them up. And guys, today we're going to be trying and blowing this truck up. If we blow this truck up, that will be a successful day. So first we're gonna go to the track and just see what drift we can pull off. Oh, the 110 miles an hour by itself. That's pretty dang fast, guys. Okay, okay, we are here at the track, and let's just see how fast it can go. And then we will do a little bit of drifting. First, we need to show you guys how well it does burn up. Doesn't even need to rev up RPMs or anything. It'll just immediately rev up. We need to build, later today we are going to be doing a video on a Monster Jam track, aka drift track, for this game. And guys, if you have not played APM yet, please play it. It's the best game ever, so yeah, it's going to be a fun day. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the tram store, rip some drifts, and then yeah. So let's go to the trailer store. See, it just drifts like that. And now we're stuck. So we need to go back to the start. There we go. Oh my gosh, brother. Okay. Go into the track now. Oh, almost went in the water. Ooh. Thank you, truck. Is that what I will see a little drift? Bang, bang. Okay, please make it up now. Okay. And guys, please tell me this is the first time we've ever done this video. So please tell me if you can hear it or not. Rip some drifts. Oh, we're spinning them. Line them up, boys. Guys, since this game does not have e-brakes, you're gonna have to click the parking brake just to get some spins going. Now I'm talking. Oh, that's a clean trick. I'm playing APM. Rabbi, we already said that. You're not paying attention. So yeah, now that you know what this truck's capable of, let's go to the track and see if we can blow it up. First we need some cheeseburgers. Let's drive to the cheeseburger place. What? So we're gonna get some gas first. Get some gas in this truck. Get some gas in this truck, and then we will just get some gas real quick. As this truck is kind of hard to start, so I'm just gonna leave it running. I would get our cheeseburger, go back to the fam, and yeah. Who likes pickles so much? Dang, girl. Can we tint out the lights on this? Yeah, let's tint out the lights on this. made some changes. Hang on. Okay, let's just go. We can't sit there. Oh, dang, son! Dang, son! Ready? They see me drift and grab the corner of the trees. Guys, you may not be able to get it like I did. Yo! Oh crap, back it up. Wait. You see me drift and they hate it. Okay guys, we are back at the fan. There's Riker with his truck. And we, oh yeah, thanks Martin. We are going to I have to just go in the house real quick. Guys, someday, or maybe today, we will be doing a video on this. We'll be doing a video on this truck. And then we will be doing a video on an older truck, an older GMC. First, we eat some cheeseburgers. Never mind, we cannot eat cheeseburgers. Okay. Guys, I'm new to this controller stuff, so please don't mind me. Look at that camera in there, girl. So yeah, guys, it's just a really fun game. And shout out to 1320 videos. Please add Riker back because he's a little bit mad about that. So, and Doodlenarchy, you are also amazing. And Southern Money, guys, they're just starting to copy APM because Tiny Houses, that's a copy for APM. So. And then we'll do a video on Drift Mustang. Maybe we'll do it right now. Guys, so where I'm going now, we're going to do the difference between this truck and the Drift Mustang. So, thanks for watching today's video, guys. We will see you later.